Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jose here once again. I'm pretty sure you guys know where I'm at. 1 second, I'll just give a quick glance. I don't want to say the name. That's where I'm at right now. Gonna show y'all something that most of you probably have never noticed or really didn't want to know, but I'm gonna show y'all today how to say. Here we have Rotella, $12.97. $12.97. Okay. And over here you have what? What is this? What's that price? $10.97. And this for what? I'm gonna be going to O'Reilly's today, and I'm gonna show you the difference in prices to get you an idea. Save oil on oil. So let's pull out our calculator. Here we go. It's $10.97. You're gonna need a total of 8 times 8. Your grand total will be $87.76. Now we need to add taxes. Here in Texas is 0.0825 equals 7.24. Let's add what we had before plus 87.76 equals to $95 exactly. That's how much you will spend on 8 gallons of oil. Now let's go quickly O'Reilly's. Okay, as you can see in this video, the Rotella, it's $13.99. You still find it cheaper at Walmart. Okay, that's a Rotella. Now let's look at Mobile Delback. Mobile Delback out there, if you were to say, hey, I want to use Mobile Delback, you're looking at $19.99. Okay, so let's pull out our little calculator and let's see what $19.99 will give us on this. Okay, O'Reilly's is $19.99 per gallon. You're gonna need a total of 8. That's $159.92. You need to multiply with taxes. Here in Texas, it's 0.0825 equals 13.9 cents plus your $159.92. You get a grand total of $173. Okay, now you might say, how do I save? Minus $95 that you will spend at Walmart. This is your total savings, $78.